All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a website which helped you to do something. Please, you can start.
Sure, thank you very much, sir. YouTube is the largest resource available in this modern age and time, and I like YouTube.com to be more effective and efficient in gaining knowledge and sharpening your ideas and imagination. And I use it quite often. Since I'm a student, I got familiarity with YouTube through my research methodologies professor in my university, and it helped me a great deal in shaping my ideas over the educational horizon. Moreover, sir, uh, not only in education, YouTube has a diversity in subjects, topics available and options. Not only in education, it helped me in health and nutrition, in sports, entertainment, and other so on and so forth. So this is why I like YouTube.com to be very useful and meaningful in attaining daily routine activities and stuff.
Okay, thank you. 1 minute 4 seconds. Overall fine. But in actual exam for speaking part 2, when examiner interrupts you and takes you to part 3, then you should stop.
Right, sir.
Right?
Right,
But
sir.
it's good. Keep it up and try to brush up your English pronunciation through IELTS listening.
Right, sir.
The way they speak, try to copy. All right,
All right.
Jack. Hello, Julie. How are you? Something like that.
I'll
okay?
try my level best,
That's
sir.
great. Now we have speaking part 3. What are most popular and least popular applications in your country?
Well, sir, since it's an era of science and technology, and people are more prone to using smartphones, laptops for their social networking, like Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Google, and other famous applications. So these social networking sites are my favorite ones. While on the other hand, I would say I don't have any negative application to use.
Okay. All right. Why do some people like to read newspaper on the internet?
Well, sir, people find it more convenient, and it's a time saving as well, because you can directly read the news or the topic you want to study regarding news, and it is since it is a it has a global coverage. It's a worldwide thing, and that is why people use tabloid for news reading nowadays.
What kind of people still like to go to the library to study?
Well, sir, since it's an era of science and technology, people are more inclined towards smartphones and laptop. But I find libraries still very relevant, because libraries give you very serene, quiet, and convenient ambience to study. And libraries are a very
Okay,
quiet
so what
place,
kind of people like to go there?
right,
That's
sir?
the question. Yeah.
Right, right. Sir, in my opinion, people who find quiet place, who need to have a very mm,
Okay, that's good. Overall, it's fine. You just need to coordinate your answer and relate it to the main question. The
Right, sir.
question was not about library. The question was about the kind of people who
People.
like to go to the library.
Right, sir.
But before that, you performed well.
Thank you,
So
sir.
the way you are speaking, this type of speaking can bring you 6.5. But if you wish to improve it to 7 or above, number one, improve the relevance.
Right,
Number
sir.
two, improve your pronunciation.
Right, sir.
And then try to use extended vocabulary, which is
Right.
related to the question. These things will take you to 7
It is
or
only
above.
because of your guidance, sir.
Okay.
We are gaining more and more knowledge, sir.
Thank you so
We are
much.
blessed to have you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Jazakallah.